Hello, happy learners. Get ready for a fun and simple story about a naughty monkey and a cap seller. You will also learn new vocabulary words with easy example sentences while enjoying the story. Let's start our story time and learn together. Story 8: The Monkey and the Cap Seller. Once there was a man. He was a cap seller. He sold colorful caps in the market. One day he was tired. He sat under a big tree. He kept his basket of caps near him. Soon he fell asleep. There were many monkeys on the tree. The monkeys saw the caps. They became curious. One by one, the monkeys came down. They opened the basket. They took the caps. Each monkey wore a cap. Then they climbed back to the tree. After some time, the cap seller woke up. He looked at the basket. It was empty. He was shocked. He looked up. He saw the monkeys wearing caps. He became worried. How will I get my caps back? He thought. Suddenly he had an idea. He took off his own cap. He threw it on the ground. The monkeys watched him. They copied him. They also threw their caps down. The capsuler was very happy. He collected all the caps. He put them back in his basket. Then he walked away smiling. Moral: clever thinking can solve problems. Now let's learn the key vocabulary from the story, along with two simple example sentences for each word. 1. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Example 1. I was curious about the new shop in town. Example 2. The child was curious to see what was inside the box. 2. Shocked, very surprised or upset. Example 1. I was shocked when I lost my phone. Example 2. He was shocked to hear the bad news. 3. Worried, feeling nervous or anxious about something. Example 1. I was worried about my exam. Example 2. She looked worried when her child was late. 4. Clever, smart, able to find quick solutions. Example 1. The boy was clever and solved the puzzle. Example 2. She gave a clever answer to the question. Well done, little learner. You enjoyed the story and also learned new vocabulary words with example sentences. Did the monkey make you smile today? If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon with another fun learning story.